guys. We're been a couple days since we had Clyde out here introducing the birds. We're gonna put them on the ground today and work them into the scent cone and see what he does, and just let him smell them on the ground, and then flush the bird up and let it fly. But see how he does. This is just to get him used to seeing birds on the ground and knowing birds are coming from the ground. So y'all stick with us, and thanks for watching.
Alright guys, so we got a pigeon asleep just a little bit to the right of this pipe that's in the ground right there. I'm not expecting them to point it. You know, it's the first time he smelled a bird on the ground. I'm just expecting him to acknowledge it. I'll hold him, make sure he doesn't go in and catch the bird, and then I'll go in and flush it up. You can hear the gunshots. That's a normal thing around where I live. There's a shotgun place not too far away, and people shoot guns all the time. So Clyde points the bird here, and this is just a mistake that I made. I shouldn't have walked past him that far. He almost caught that bird, and it looked like I kind of pulled him back, but really I wasn't. I was just kind of holding him so he didn't catch the bird. If anything, it made him a little more excited about it.
I couldn't get it good on video.
Good boy, Clyde. What's going on, guys? We finished it up. He did pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. Second bird, I kind of messed that one up. Forgot that he was a puppy, and should have had Ashton go in and flush him up, but that's all right. He recouped on the third one. I'm pretty impressed with him, but appreciate y'all watching. See y'all next time. Boy.
So now we got a launcher out with a pigeon in it, and you can see me, Clyde, and he gets it right there. I don't let him hold it very long. I launch it, and he ends up going back in and pointing again. And there wasn't a bird in the launcher again. I just walked over and got a bird and let it go for him. So you'll see that happen in just a second.
Yeah, you can see them.
Well, I didn't see, didn't I? problem getting on the point.
So you can see Clyde working there and pointing this bird, and I just walk in, and as soon as I kind of see him start to move a little bit, I launch the bird. Well, that's going to do it for this session. I'm just trying to keep them short and sweet and just let them have fun with it. We've been taking them, let them run with the big dogs and just experience different things. And I just think that's crucial to a puppy's life, and just letting them kind of be in the environment they're going to be hunting in. But I appreciate y'all watching, and stay tuned for the next one.